everybody, it's been a while since I did a little update on the Sequoia, so I'm gonna make one and a few of the recent kind of changes with it. So here it is, the 2005 Toyota Sequoia Limited 4x4. I've made a few videos about it on the channel, from stock to how it sits right now. It's lifted about 2 inches, 2.5 inches, something like that. It has the OME 2883 lift spring, so that's ARB Old Man Emu, with Bilstein 5100s all the way around. In the back, I believe they're 2862 springs, which are supposed to kind of be level, like the truck itself is level, but the back is always kind of higher than the front on Toyotas for some reason. As you can see there, I'm not really sure why that happens. Same thing with my 4Runner that I had, but these are supposed to be level. So I could raise that up a little bit. I might do that eventually. This vehicle has 320,000 miles on it now. My fiance has actually been driving it most of the time. This is her new daily. We got rid of her car and car payment, and she's been driving this. And I have the Lexus LS460 and now a 2005 Pontiac Vibe GT, which is a Toyota Matrix 6-speed. So I kind of daily that, and I've been working on the Lexus. So a little bit of a change going on here. This is the Sequoia. It's kind of become the family SUV, which it was meant to be when I got it. As you can see, it's very lived in and practical. Not a ton of changes, kind of a little dirty. We do have the Boss head unit with CarPlay and everything, upgraded speakers. You can see there's a lot of stuff in here. Got to move this around, load some stuff in here. Today actually. It does have a rear view camera that's wireless that I installed. It's got the spoiler. It's very dirty, but the clear coat looks brand new because it was done by Restore Effects. I did a video on that. So Restore Effects fully restored this clear coat and it makes it look like it has a brand new paint job, which is awesome. It does have some Amazon headlights with the mini projector LEDs. So it gets a nice cutoff, kind of looks like an HID. It's a lot better than just throwing an LED in there and getting crazy light scatter. We do have the Raptor lights that light up when it starts and runs. It's connected to a fuse. And recently we got the LASFIT LED switchback fog lights, so they can turn white or yellow. So I'll show you that now. And then back here, we also have some LASFIT LEDs for the brake lights. These just stay on, but I think these are the ones that kind of blink when you hit the brake light. And then we have some LASFIT reverse lights as well as turn signals. So all this is LED, which is nice. And really the only downside right now is the rust. This is known on the Sequoias. Rust here, it's not like structural, it's all cosmetic. But yeah, that's something definitely to keep an eye on. Underneath, we're looking pretty good. Got that custom muffler. I don't know if those welds are super good, but it sounds good when it starts up. And you can see this does have 320,000 miles on it, so it's going strong. No crazy lights other than the TPMS. Not really sure what happened there. I think I got like unprogrammed just from driving. Because tire pressures are all great, it was programmed, just came on one day and it's been like that. You can see the leather after 18 years is still in good condition, especially with all that miles. It's pretty crazy. We don't really use the third row. Like I said, it's mostly for cargo, so it's been a good family vehicle. Noticed after not driving this for a little bit and then driving it again, this thing gets a lot of stares. A lot of people just staring at you, and I don't know if they're mad at me, they don't like how it sounds, or they really like it. I'm hoping that it's they really like how it looks, or they think it looks cool, because it is very blacked out, has a very menacing look, and then you hear that V8. It's just, I think it's pretty unique. You don't see a lot of these, especially not modified. And yeah, I'm really happy with where it's at. It's a very comfortable and practical vehicle, although it only gets about 13 miles per gallon, so not great. But with a big SUV like this, with all terrains lifted, that's just what you have to kind of get used to. That's a little update on the Sequoia. Definitely drop in the comments if you want to see more. Not too much happening with this vehicle lately. I haven't really off-roaded it or anything like that. It's kind of been a commuter car, and it's going to make a good winter vehicle when the snow hits. We have 4-wheel drive, we have all-terrain tires. It's going to be fine. We also live at the top of a hill, so it'll be nice to have. I know from experience with my 4Runner, having four-wheel drive in all terrains. It's kind of needed. A lot of people get stuck in my neighborhood on all seasons or just bad tires with front or rear wheel drive. My Vibe has snow tires on it. It's front wheel drive. We'll see how it does. And then we also will have the Lexus hopefully up and running soon with the all-wheel drive. So it'll be a kind of a good test to see four-wheel drive versus front-wheel drive versus all-wheel drive in the snow. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, you enjoyed it, you liked it, just drop a like. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button to follow along with other Lexus and Toyota themed videos. You can follow me on Instagram at Marty Motoring. And as always, keep those wheels turning. So long, farewell.